Hey J Team, it's your boy Justin coming at you with part 2 of the Samsung Galaxy S4 repair. Sorry everybody, but I made the video with me on video 1. Make sure you go and see that video. But video 2, I went to make the video, and after recording everything, for some reason, I don't know why, maybe the storage space was used up in the memory of the S3, but I went to save the video so I could upload it, and it was just corrupted and it wouldn't work. So this is a follow-up. So basically what I did is the phone was all apart in part 2, and I reassembled everything. So I cleaned all the water damage out of all the parts, recovered everything I could, put it all back together. This is that same phone, T-Mobile, and in the end of that video I showed you guys the phone working, which this is that same phone. So fully working and everything, no problems. Connected to my Wi-Fi up there, everything's working well. It has 45% battery remaining, which is amazing. Oh yeah, I haven't plugged it in yet, so we're going to try plugging her into the power. So let's see here. And there you go, you hear that? Unplug. So it's definitely charging, so it's accepting the charge and everything. Connected to Wi-Fi, fully working. What we'll do is we'll do a restart on her, so you can hear what she sounds like when she reboots. There we go. And that sound of it booting came from the rear speaker that I rebuilt. In part 1, I'm pretty sure I showed taking apart that speaker and everything. If not, there's a speaker inside the phone in there in the back, and you take it all apart and clean it and everything. But yeah, anyway, so she's a fully working phone. I wish, and I promise you guys, this is the same phone. It's T-Mobile, and I'll even take the back off here. Same back, okay, exact same back. As you can see right there, look in video 1, you'll see this. Water damage indicators, red. Same exact, identical phone. The phone, the rear speaker attaches right here, and it pulls off the back like that. I had it all taken apart. The phone will shut off when I do this, but I'm going to show you that. So there's what it looks like there. You can see some of where I scrubbed it down with the brush. Okay, and here's the battery. In part 1, here's that battery, red. All right. So one more time, I'm going to put the back on, and make sure everything's clipped down. Show you around that it's all clipped and everything, and all this seals all nice and down and all that. And once again, this is it fully off. Hold the power down. There, it just vibrated. There's Samsung Galaxy S4, and pretty quick it'll say powered by Android or something like that. Should. So hopefully this video works. That's the speaker right here at the rear. That made that nice jingle of it booting up. Okay. And there we go. Okay. So sorry everybody couldn't see, you guys couldn't see it, the rest of it being assembled and everything. But would have, whoops, sorry about that. What have happened is the phone glitched out, and when I went to save it, for some reason it corrupted. It didn't save properly. So hopefully this video here will work properly, and we'll know if it uploads, right? So anyway, thanks for checking out this video, and once again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you like the videos, click on the thumbs up, click on the bell down below to get my notifications and content. Make sure you click on all notifications. Hope everybody has a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.